Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of National. In this video, winning is certain. Let me start today's video by saying Saula Kabie, happy Tabora celebration for all Church of the Lord Aladra worldwide members. I wish us more years to come. And also gbàdúrà for now, we that cannot be on the only mountain. That being said, guys, let's go straight. Bonus. National is about to dash us bonus. Let's go straight on this one. But in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my wonderful YouTube channel. Your surest plugs when it comes to all online Ghana Lotto. This is the best place for you to be. So if that is your purpose online today, my advice for you is to consider to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and wait for a win. To my existing subscribers, thank you for coming back today. Let's drive straight on this one. Most importantly, to support this channel, like this video for me, share and comment. Let's go straight. Today, National is doing bonanza for us, our local. Yeah. 90 playing in last ball machine. That's at event 634 on midweek's board. 1, 2, 3. Expect 42 to go and play in last ball winning. Getting on Nationals board. On Nationals board at event number 3297, 90 played in position. That is last ball machine. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. Expect 42 to maintain position, last ball winning. After 42 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 48 to second ball machine. After 42 maintain position here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, pardon me. Let me take it again. Confused here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from 42. Pardon me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Expect 48 here. Here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 48 to maintain position. After 48 maintains position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 48 should move from second ball machine to center ball machine. That is 7 weeks from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 48 will move from position to position. That is from second ball machine to center ball machine. After I place this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 48 move, 48 move, 48 should turn. 8 weeks down. Let's confirm that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 weeks down. 48, 48. It should turn. Bonus banker played and dropped with 21 in position again. He played the 84 and dropped 21 with it in position. Today is a bonus. Now, after setting this game to position 21, play with 84. From 21 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 weeks down, it said we should expect 76 in center ball winning. After playing 21 to position with 40 that moved in, from 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's showing us 76 to maintain center ball position. This as well is showing us 76 to maintain center ball position. The following week, it supplied double 3 to first ball winning. The following week it supplied double three to first ball winning. Banker achieved here. The following week after 33 plays to position, 41 would also maintain position. And here again after 33 plays, 41 will maintain position. After 33 plays, 41 will maintain position. The following week again 57 would maintain position. This was our banker. This was our banker, and you could go back to check. This was the banker we picked on this one as well. Now, what is this plan telling us? It said we should go 1, 2, 3 weeks down. 48, that is doing Superman. It played from position, jump to position and turn. That's why I'm calling it Superman. 48 should stand out. 48 should stand out as a bonus banker. 48, 1 to billion. Where are my banker carriers? 48, bonanza. If national plays no other game, 48 is a bonus banker. Make sure you don't gawk it. Now, it's saying the 48 should serve us as a banker. Now, check this out. When he played 33 here, he said 42 in this position will counter to machine. Play with 56. This one dropped 33 here. He told us 42 in position will counter to machine. Play with 56. After playing these two games, then before he played this one. Now, today, it is telling us again, it's very simple. 42 in position that countered to machine. It's going to what? It's going to jump out like this, and this game will turn. 48, this game is going to turn. Counter. Play with 48. 1 to Jerusalem. 48, free bonus banker. 48, don't dull 48. It is a blessing. So my prediction is displaying on the screen right now. So please, if you notice I skipped something in this video, nobody's an island of knowledge. Please call my attention to whatever you think I skipped in this video that I did not remember to touch or my eyes just skipped. Please put it in the comment section for me. Plus, if this is your pattern of forecast, if you like what you just watched, click on the like button. Take a second to click on the like button. It's going to do two things. It will help me post more videos for you to see, and it will help me reach more people. If you observe, I didn't post Bonanza yesterday. I was not allowed to post because I didn't get enough engagement. So please, like this video for me on YouTube. Like this video for me, share and comment. Most importantly, if you've been coming, subscribe to the channel. Until I see you guys again, don't forget, 48, 1 to Jericho. Give your friends, even your enemies, help them with it.